Yo, Ice.
Yo.
Look, I'm on stream right now, right? They talk.
Good
They
chat.
look. Yeah, it was good chat. Yeah, they told me to call you real quick to show you something, and let me know what you think. Okay. Okay.
Let me see. That's real?
Yeah, like I just got some girls. Yeah,
Oh shit.
you fuck with them?
Heard. I'm jacking that.
You jacking it?
Different.
I appreciate you. Like 1 through 10. Like how the girls look?
What it says on them? It says something?
Nah, I got diamonds on her, like extra ones.
Oh shit. I'm gonna give it a 10.
That ass?
Yeah, those 8. I fuck with girls.
Alright, appreciate you. Alright, I'm gonna hit you.
Alright, later.
Alright.